just uses me as a prop in her TikToks. Olivia, is it supposed to hurt? If you don't look like this after you've tidied your room, I actually don't know if I can do this. How many people have you kissed in one night? My heart is like racing. It's 4:25. I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. I think I might cry. What's more shocking, this lighting or the fact I'm wearing a white top after freshly baked tanning? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Wow, the sky. That is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. I, along with, I know many other people, have really struggled with my sleeping pattern during these lockdown times. And I would honestly say it's only been within the last month that I've actually figured out a good sleeping routine and been able to stick to it. Too many nights were going past where I was waking up and ordering prep for breakfast. Not even like McDonald's breakfast, like prep breakfast. That opens late. Unacceptable, I know, and it was not a good time for me. Anyway, as I was saying, I have actually just recently fixed my sleeping pattern. So I don't fuck it up again. I mean, I'm a girl, I love a bit of self-sabotage. I am going to be pulling an all-nighter, but I would like to think it's going to be a pretty productive all-nighter. I have got some shit to do, like actually quite a lot of shit to do that I've left all to the last minute. Don't look at me like that. Time is currently 8:24, and in true all-nighter style, we start off with a coffee. Oh my.
Babe's done.
Olivia is not well.
I accidentally basically had 6 shots of espresso and it really affected me badly.
She was like shaking. An ice cube.
Oh, that really scared me.
This is not going to be a comfort video. Oh my god. Coffee is secured. I have definitely let life get on top of me the last few days, and that is represented in the state of my bedroom. I don't know why I say the last few days. Life has been on top of me for the last 20 years. First task of the night is to clean all of this up because I cannot relax and have a hot girl all-nighter looking at this. Do you want a time lapse? I never know whether people like a time lapse. There was a time lapse in my last YouTube video. I personally love a good time lapse, but I know we different opinions. Olivia, opinions on a time lapse?
Because I watch intently YouTube, you watch background YouTube. Do you know what I mean? So I don't want to sit and listen to background music, but you love it.
My YouTube watch is strictly comfort videos on my own.
Oh wait, what? What's a comfort video?
My Ellie Derby.
It's
it.
Whereas I like a Chris Clemens and a Timberland vibe. You know, I want to do it.
I like to watch that with other people.
Interesting.
Yeah, okay, literally no one cares. Also, peep the fact I've got no bed sheets on because I've got fresh, clean ones in the wash. On the night I decided to fake 10, my top is already trashed. Oh my god, why did I do this? Clean room in 3, 2, 1. Quick interlude to say I'm on my second triple shot coffee. Bed sheets are going on, babes. It's not even like I'm gonna be sleeping in them tonight. I will be sat in bed this evening with these satin pajama bottoms on and a Victoria's Secret silk nightshirt that hits my ankles because God knew if I was tall I would be too powerful. If you don't look like this after you've tidied your room, I don't think you tidied your room. Everyone knows best part of tidying your room is £10 in pockets and trying on everything you come across. I think I'm gonna sell this blazer on Depop. And I don't think the hat is gonna stay either. Talking of clothes, I recently got a big old Nasty Gal delivery, and you guys know I love Nasty Gal, and I'm so delighted to let you know that they're actually going to be sponsoring the next couple minutes of this video. Woo! Yay! Let's have it. Round of applause for Nasty Gal. Obviously lockdown restrictions are easing, etc, so I wanted to get a few new pieces. I'm gonna whiz through them all now. Nasty Gal have actually been kind enough to give me a code, which is flossie55, which gets you 55. 5 is my lucky number. That's 2 of them. That's flossie55 will get you 55% off entire website excluding sale. I'm gonna whiz through these pieces now and then show you some ways I'm gonna style them, like a quick little fun lookbook. Okay, we're doing an all-nighter. First thing I got are these denim jeans. These are my favorite jeans ever. They're called the Drew jeans, and I also got them in a black. I actually already have a pair of these, and I get questions on these jeans all the time. They are the perfect fit. I love them so much. I get mine in a size 8. I then got this little scarf tie top. You can use this as like a bandana. I also think these look cute like tied onto a bag, but I will probably wear it as a top. Versace vibes only. Versace would not want to be on this sticky tanned body right now. I then got this top, which is like a black ribbed top with a sweetheart neckline. This is actually from their recycle collection. I then also got this dress, which is basically impossible to show not on, so obviously you'll see it on. This gorgeous little baby blue skirt. I'm so into color at the moment. If you see me outside in anything other than a pastel color, slap me. And then this green tie-dye dress. I thought this would be such a good summer dress, like with a little bikini underneath. Manifesting Mykonos or Santorini? Both. And then last but not least, this really cute little baby pink stretchy vest. Literally just broke my camera. It's 1 AM and I'm already spiraling. Oh my god, do you want to see something really scary? This is the top that I've been wearing tonight. I don't even think my Vanish Oxy Stain Remover is getting through this bad boy. Hair has gone up. I've actually been editing the clips that I've just filmed now because, you know, as I said, productive all-nighter. And talking of productive all-nighter, next step is to take the bins down. If I bump into a single soul on the way down to the bin room, I think I will have to end it all. I'm not gonna lie, I have maybe spent the last 10 minutes sat on my bed trying to psych myself up to do this because I don't know about you, but I personally did watch the Cecil Hotel documentary. And if you know, you know. Is it socially acceptable to take them down in this? Who am I kidding? My concierge have seen me in much worse state. I've also had this makeup on since like 9 this morning, but I know if I take my makeup off, that action of cleansing will send me to sleep straight after. So I'm trying to keep it on as long as possible. I'm stealing Olivia's crocs. Yeehaw. Here is the rubbish in question. I'm fucking terrified.
Doors closing.
I actually don't know if I can do this. My heart is like racing. I don't know if I want to do this, I'm really scared.
Doors opening.
Oh my god! Tell me that doesn't look like I'm about to be murdered in there. I don't.
I survived.
Oh my god, this whole frame is just chaotic. I got myself a crate of Diet Cokes tonight in preparation. Obviously, I need this caffeine. I am 3 deep and onto my 4th. To the revolution. Ahoy! This bitch just uses me as a prop in her TikToks. Get it, sweetie? Yeah, that's my girl. Woo! Is 155, and do you know what 155 stands for? In French? In Latin, in pi, Q&A time, baby. I asked you guys for some questions on Instagram. I thought we could do a fun little quick fire Q&A. Kami asked, update on you and Ben Morris. Ben Morris? I don't think I know a Ben Morris. Lewis said, would you ever consider a bob? How are you in general? I'm very good, thank you. What's the worst thing about living with Olivia? When was your first kiss? I was 15, I think. Height 6'5". Go-to cocktail, an espresso martini. Favorite haircut for boys? Right, I used to be long hair on boys and long hair only. I would only look at a boy if he had curtain hair at least, but now I really don't care. I think like different hair suits different people, so. Do you ever miss the Cotswolds? I miss my family, but actual Cotswolds, like living in the Cotswolds, definitely not. I don't like miss living there, but I miss the people there. Biggest regret, filming this all-nighter video. Worst habit, eating unpeeled carrots just 24/7. I eat carrots like there's no tomorrow, not even with anything. It's just like I crave them all the time, and it's been like I've done this for like a year and I still crave them just on their own. Even Olivia started doing it now. Favorite color to wear? At the moment, I'd say probably green or pink. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Ever want to get a tattoo? No, I don't think so. Actually, I know so, because my mum told me if I ever got a tattoo that I was not allowed to come back into my family home, and I quite like to go home for Christmas. So probably won't be doing that. Do you miss home? Yeah, I guess I do miss home because I miss my mum and dad, but I don't miss living at home. It's not like I get homesick. It's not like I crave that living at home or like my home there, because this here in London very much feels like my home now. It's like I've got two homes. Sweet or salty? I'm a sweet girl. I love sweet food. I'm such a sweet tooth. Would you ever go blonde? How many people have you kissed in one night? I have never kissed more than one person in one night. I applaud the girls who can. I don't think I can find more than one person who'd want to kiss me. Snog, marry, avoid. Kami, Wes Nelson, Ben Morris. Boy, do I look like body count. Do you really advise to your 15-year-old self, stop crying about him and thinking he's better than you, because in 5 years time he's still going to be drunk calling you. I can't. Would you ever cut your hair short? I definitely want a fair bit cut off when I go back to the hairdressers. My hair has just got so long and like thin and ratty. It's really not thriving right now. It's also like third day hair. I was editing these clips back looking at my hair thinking, oh, somebody get a brush to this girl. Olivia Neal or Flossie? Looking for Lewis. Pet peeve. I don't think it's a pet peeve because I think it's like actually a very valid thing, but just anyone who thinks they're better than anyone. Or beef with any YouTubers? No, I don't have any beef with any YouTubers. I get on with everyone. I just nearly threw up. Go to workout. Trying on clothes at 3 AM. I have a really weird thing where when I can't sleep, I just put on all my clothes in my wardrobe. You can see my toes in the front. Favorite fruit? Pears. Relationship status? Single. Ooh. Blondes or brunettes? If we're talking boys, brunettes always. Unless it's dyed blonde. If it's like a brunette that's been dyed blonde, I can do that. Favorite cheeses on a cheese board? Okay. Big lover of brie. Big lover of like chili, any spicy cheese. Camembert, fuck off. Literally, fuck off. I also like blue cheese. I know. Sophisticated or terrifying, you decide. How's Emma? She is good, thank you. Dream pet? I think, now look, I do already have a lovely sausage dog, but obviously one day I do want to get a dog. I'm not ready to have a dog right now in my life. I would want to give a dog the best life in the world, and I don't think I could do that right now. I would love to have a Shiba Inu. Obviously I'd love a Labrador. I used to have a black Labrador. If I start thinking about her, I will cry. I just like really soft natured dogs, but I like sausage dogs just because they're small and cute, and me and my dad have a special thing about sausage dogs. If you didn't know, this is Pablo, and my dad got him for me for my birthday. It's so cute. Something you miss, salmon. I know, I haven't watched Seaspiracy yet. Is it Seaspiracy? I don't know. I don't think 2:13 a.m. is an appropriate time to watch Seaspiracy, especially when I'm very delicate right now. I am very tired. The caffeine isn't really kicking in. Obviously, I'm vegetarian, but I do think about salmon a lot. I said it. I miss it. I miss smoked salmon. I don't know what it is, but just recently. Ever faced with any mean girls at school? Workout routine? Was that supposed to be an attack? Oh my god, that's actually giving me such a good idea. Oh my god! Oh my god, Olivia! I just shit myself!
No, that was scary. That really scared me.
It really scared me! Why are you awake?
Babe, are you joking? I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the fridge.
Sounds like a you problem to me.
Can you walk forward a bit? I'm gonna come here. I just can't wait to see you get your ribs done.
Visual representation of my last brain cell right now. Olivia, is it supposed to hurt? It just feels kind of bruised. Delicate. Very, very delicate. Sorry, Olivia, I'm using one of your balls. So everyone knows cereal slaps different at night. When people ask me what I film on YouTube, this is the reason I never know how to answer. It's 4:25. I'm watching pregnancy vlogs and spiraling. I've allowed myself to lie down but not get under the covers. Getting under the covers is committing to going to sleep. My poor skin, I need to get up and remove this makeup right now because my face is going to hate me. Some time has gone past, still in the same position. I can feel myself about to fall asleep. It's nearly 5 a.m. so I'm going to jump into the shower. Oh, it's the Cocoa Pops on my bedside table for me. I think I might cry. I'm actually a beast. It is 5:10. Oh, there she goes. 10 past 5. Just washed my fake tan off. It's had all the time to develop. I'm still pretty awake and I've got a sheet mask on. Don't ever try and say YouTube isn't a real job. It is 5:31 a.m. Come on. 5:32 a.m. It's 5:32 a.m. This face mask has been on for a scary long amount of time. And I am tapping out, not even getting to bed, going to sleep on the floor. 5:30, I think that's totally reasonable. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. I feel like I never ask people to, do I? I don't know. I'm just so confused right now and tired and scared. You can subscribe as well if you would like to. Don't forget to check out Nasty Gal. Remember, flossie.clegg for 55% off. I really hope I've done that hand movement in the right way. If not, woo! Yay! I love you guys so much. There is no one I would have rather have done this with. Peace and love. Kisses to you.